How you doing? Tony Fennell here, Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough, Maine. My cell is 978-764-1232. Want to show you this stock unit NT082594. It's a 2022 MXCA7X. That means a Mercedes-Benz 3500 heavy duty cargo, 170 wheelbase, high roof, 4x4, 6-cylinder diesel engine. And this one happens to be pebble gray. And look at the beautiful 3-pointed chrome star and the chrome tipped grille. You can see the nice step right here, and the Parktronic sensors. Fog lights will act as corner lights, and those beautiful LED high performance headlights. All right, and again, this beautiful pebble gray with the special painted black wheels with the Continental tires on them. And those are all season Continentals. She's a beauty. Again, Parktronic sensors back here, nice large step bumper, camera up above at the third brake light. It does have the electrical, the 7-prong round socket in the back for trailering. You can put a hitch on it afterwards. So these doors do not go 270, they go this far. They go straight off, they detent straight off, and they go that much. And nice step here to climb in. A lot of room, a lot of space. Standard cargo lights. I'm about 5'10". Plenty of room in here. Wood floor, composite wood floor with 6D rings. It's great for wet feet. You won't slip and fall down. Rear heated glass. Storage nets in the back. We'll get a view through the slider door. Black leatherette interior. We have handles here to climb in. Power windows, power door locks. Fully adjustable captain's chairs that swivel, right? Swivel, both of them. We'll get a view of that large 10 1/4 touchscreen display. You can talk to it, you can touch it. There's a mouse right here. There's a mouse pad for the dashboard on this side. And your 4x4 switches down here. Your temperature control switches right here. And that rear heated glass button right there. So what do we have up here? We have a nice couple of trays, 3 of them. And this one in the middle is a wireless charging of your smartphone. You can pair the phone to the face. A couple of C drives. Up above the console, package trays with handles. Let's get under the hood. So you open the hood like this. The prop rod over here. You're going to be mainly concerned with windshield washer fluid right here. The battery positive jump spot is right here. Negative is right here. The battery's under your feet where you drive from. You'll never have to go near it. It's maintenance free to last a long time. Brake fluid, the oil filter cover, oil fill cap, antifreeze, DEF tank, 6 gallons. You put it in right here. Thanks. Tony Fennell, 978-764-1232 is my cell. Call me.